Hey, it's got Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2011 Honda Odyssey van. This one's got some miles on it. It's got 195 some thousand miles on it. And obviously it states for the quality of the Honda. It runs and runs and runs. I'm going to show you everything about it. It's got a little ding here, a little dent there. Not too bad. A little scratch here, a little scratch there. I'll try to show everything to you. But honestly, this van's pretty darn good shape. I just sat in it. Air's blowing nice and cold. Got Michelin tires on it. So let me start with the left front. It looks pretty good. Hopefully I can get this in a camera for you. So tread-wise, pretty good shape. Wheels in pretty good shape. Got a sunroof, leather. Got a rear DVD. Body-wise is in pretty good shape. Looks a couple of scratches here and there. Let me show those to you. This is the left rear. And it might be hard to see. Okay, there you can see it. And there's a couple right here on the edge. Here's the rear gate. Bumper's got one mark on it, and I'll show it to you. It's got a bunch of marks in the middle. So here's the damage on the bumper, and here's the scratches right in the center of it. Right rear corner. Down the side's pretty straight. Looks like it's rust free. Here's the left rear tire. I'll try to get you a good shot of it. And it's in pretty good shape. Overall, a power liftgate on it. Third row is laid down. It does have some scratches inside on the body panel. I think you can see that in the video. Kind of same on this side. There's some audio controls. Let me show you the rest of this van. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you. So here's second row. And it's 80 crossed. It does have a DVD player. I'll show you that in a minute. Make sure that it works for us. Driver's armrest. Looks like it's got some tape on it. Driver's seat looks pretty good shape. Passenger seat's in pretty good shape. So look at the center stack. Here's the navigation controls on it. AM, FM, CD player, of course. Air conditioner controls. It's nice and cold. Got heated seats. There's the nav screen. 195.5. It's 85 degrees out here today. I don't see any lights on it other than I don't have my seatbelt on. I know all the sliders and everything work in it. Pretty decent van.